adjust the chair. Ugh, go higher, go higher. I wrote a script. I can't talk. Okay, I really don't know what to talk about because my brain just don't work that way. But I also want to go to law school, so I kind of have to work on that. Hey guys, this is me, Anis. Welcome back to my channel. So today, essentially what I'm gonna do is to introduce some trendy outfits that has been popping up a lot on like TikToks and YouTube and whatsoever. Work essentially is that I'm going to introduce to you that specific item of clothing, and then hopefully explain a little bit, and hopefully it'll be educational, and then show you how I incorporate that outfit in my daily wear and slash like a small lookbook or like whatever you want to call it. Enjoy! Number 1, the ridiculously small tops. Well, I have very mixed feelings about it because a part of me really love it because it's cute and adorable, and it's something that I envision would look good on my body type. But a part of me also don't understand this trend because it's literally like 10 cm of clothing and such an expensive price, yet people still buy it because it's a trend. And that's not capitalism, kids. What I have here with me is, well, am I showing this right? Oh, terbalik. What I have with me is lilac slash baby purple top with a boxed neckline and a string here so you can like scrunch the middle part. I guess can be categorized as the small tops because I can't wear small tops just by itself because I dress modestly. I think I do. I hope I do. Yes, I do, of course.
I can see right through your eyes. I don't know where we're going, but I like to be by your side. If you could tell me how you're feeling, maybe we get through this undefeated. Holding on for so long.
Number 2, monochromatic look. So ladies or men or whoever watching this, if you want to look put together and also so much more richer than you are to hide that existential crisis that you have, wear a monochromatic look. Because essentially once you have an item of clothing, for example a shirt, you only need to find pants and scarves and handbags that has the same color but in different shades. They have a little hint of black in it or a little hint of white in it to appear darker or brighter. Then you will have a matching outfit that makes you look expensive and also sophisticated and put together. The blouse that I wore is literally a blouse that I found in my mom's closet with really pretty details and puffy sleeves. So I don't know where she got it from, and I can't link it to you guys because I don't know where she got it from. This is so easy to style. Even if you have a plain black outfit from top to bottom, you will still pull this look out, a one color look out, and you should try it out for yourself to see the results.
Don't talk to me, loser, lame, I wanna be like, oh, totally.
It's so.
Next up, puffy sleeves. Have puffy shoulders and sleeves that makes you look so fancy. Like this one that I have, that I literally got for 30 ringgit at a buy one free one clearance sale like about 3 years ago. I'm pretty sure it'll be retailed for at least 50 ringgit now. You can always dress it up or dress it down by maybe switching it up with jeans or wearing a very cute skirt and whatsoever, and accessorize it with a cute bag or necklaces. I really recommend this item for you to have in your closet if you have an extra budget.
Thinking what if it's you and me at the end, that maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back.
dressing up like Steve Jobs. When I see pictures of really pretty girls in Pinterest or Instagram, once they wear a really big blazer and then they styled it, they really look like they are ready for the runway. If you have a blazer, if you feel too bulky or boxy, what you can do is you can take a belt and then cinch it up on the waist. You can go to thrift shops. They have a lot of really funky, cool blazers that you can find for a very cheap price. So it's a very win-win situation where you can save the environment and you can also look cool at the same time. I forgot to mention this. Just dig your dad's closet. I'm pretty sure he has one.
She's a Mona Lisa. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the
I hope you really enjoyed this video. I'm a big fat idiot and I forgot to record the outro, the ending of the video, and my phone successfully died. Remember just to wear what you're comfortable in and what you feel confident in, because it doesn't really matter. It's just you appearing to the public. It doesn't define who you are as a person. I need to shut up, but like, you get my point. But see you next time. Bye.